I want to learn a lot of vocabulary because I have heard from the people, if I have a lot of vocabulary, then I can speak this language fluently. But I have been trying for a long. I'm failing to do it. I'm a bit concerned what to do, how to improve vocabulary so that I can speak English language fluently. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. Vocabulary को कैसे learn करें? This is a big concern, right? As a beginner, we don't understand anything. In that case, we try to learn vocabulary because that is the first step. As a child, the way we started learning ABCD, same way, if we want to learn this language, we need to start from words. That is the way to learn this language. Actually, there are many people, they learn this language without reading, without learning from other sources, just simply by listening. But this kind of thing needs environment. I have seen some people, they haven't gone to any school at all, even they speak this language fluently. How? Because they were in that kind of environment. They were in English speaking environment, But we don't have environment, so we have to search the simple way. हमें सिंपल सा रास्ता खोजना है कि हम इस लैंग्वेज को कैसे सीख सकें, क्योंकि एज ए बिगनर हमें चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आती हैं. जब हम सुनते हैं या कोई बुक पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं तो हम सारी चीज़ों को समझ नहीं पाते हैं, फिर हम स्टक फील करते हैं, फिर हम सोचते हैं कि हम सीख ही नहीं पाएंगे, राइट? सो मेनी थिंग स्टार्ट हैपनिंग. बट माई फ्रेंड, वी शुड स्टार्ट learning from vocabulary. As a beginner, what I did, I started learning vocabulary separately because I wasn't able to understand when people they used to speak, or I wasn't able to understand when I used to read books. That is why I started learning vocabulary separately. And how I used to learn? I used to learn Hindi to English because my mother tongue is Bhojpuri, and I have studied in Hindi medium school. So for me it is easy to understand, So I used to translate Hindi to English, and that's how I used to understand things. So whatever your mother tongue is, try to learn separately some vocabulary so that you can make simple sentences. If you learn vocabulary separately, you should not stop there. You should make simple sentences. I know it is very hard. We cannot make sentences if we don't know grammar. So learn vocabulary separately, and the second thing you should do, learn little bit grammar, basic grammar. Okay, start doing that one, and you are free to learn in your mother tongue. Many people they say no, it's not good way, but my friend, if we don't try this way, we will have to struggle a lot. We will have to join spoken classes. We will have to search for English speaking environment, but it's not good. Whatever we have, we should use that one, right? So it's the easy way to learn this language. Start learning separately, and you are free to translate into your mother tongue. And when you learn vocabulary, try to make sentences. That's what I used to do. Other thing what I did, when I found out that I had started understanding this language, then I started reading books, I started watching videos, and I started listening. Actually, I had started listening already, but I wasn't able to understand 100%. There were many reasons. I didn't know grammar, and I didn't know vocabulary. I'm sorry, one buffalo is creating noise. So I didn't know vocabulary and grammar. That is why while listening and while watching, I wasn't able to understand things. So once I started understanding things by listening or by reading books or by watching videos, then I switched. I stopped learning by translating things because I found it was a big process, but it was a stepping stone. For me, it was the first thing that I could do. Otherwise, I imagine now, If I had not started doing that way, I may have not learned this language, or I may have stopped learning this language because it was not easy for me to understand this language. Okay, so I started learning from the easy way, and that was translating and learning separately Hindi to English. Like that I started learning, you know. So in your case also, whatever your mother tongue is, try to learn vocabulary separately, okay, initially. But once you start understanding things by listening and by reading, by watching videos, no need to translate. Stop that one and move forward. And in moving forward, what you need to do, whatever vocabulary you are learning by watching, by reading, or by listening, try to note them down and even try to make the sentence. You can stop learning by translating, but the one thing is common, that is you should make sentences, or else you will forget. But once you move forward in this language and become an advanced speaker, so no need to note down also. You know, you don't need to jot down the words and all. You will simply learn. If you listen, you will be capable enough to use in your sentences, because it happens. But as a beginner, as an intermediate, we need to do hard work, or else it will be difficult for us, and our hard work will go in vain, because we learn vocabulary by doing hard work. The buffalo is creating noise again and again, and I cannot stop it. It is natural thing, right? If any human being, they are creating noise, I can tell to them, stop, don't create noise, because I'm creating video. But one buffalo, it is creating noise, and I cannot stop it. It is not in my hand. You know, it may disturb you people, but I cannot do anything. It is not in my hand, and I cannot control this thing. It's a natural thing, okay? So in village it happened, right? Sometimes dog, cat, even people, animal, they create noise, okay? So yeah, where I was, yeah. So this is the thing I did for learning vocabulary. My friend, if you are learning vocabulary, no matter Hindi to English or whatever your mother tongue is, try to make the sentences. And then if you are capable enough, then try to make the stories or make long sentences, so that the chances are you will not forget, you know. So do this kind of things. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.